Anji, are you getting my
Yes,
voice?
yeah.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Now getting, sir.
So previously, sir, previous to the break, we were discussing about a plus equals to operator. So here I have declared x equals to 23. है ना? So now x plus equals to 4. I want to add 4 in the x. So and again I want to print the x. So let us this one execute this one. So output is 27. Output is 27. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And similarly, it will work for minus also. Let us change with minus 19. 23 minus 4 equals to 19. That means x equal to x minus 4. X minus 4 equals to means this one. Is that clear?
Yes.
Let
Yes,
us
sir.
move further. Let us move further. So next is the world of data types in the Python. What are the data types available in the Python? We will see in this chapter. So integer is there, long is there, float is there, and complex is there. So these are the data types basically available in the Python. Integers are the full numbers, okay, like 32. This one is the integer, okay. Without that means integers are the number with no decimal parts, and float refers to the numbers that have the decimal parts, such as 1.546, and this is the negative float number, minus 0.098. This type of things will be inside the float, and you will not believe me, these will play the major part whenever you learn the data analysis through the Python. Okay, these small things. 1 minute, I have the call. I'm taking 2 minutes. हाँ जी.
No, it is okay, sir.
So this one is okay. This is the type of string. If one part is this one, another part is this one. String concatenation means plus operator will behave just like a string concatenation or string addition. And what about this one, about the 6? Let us share this one.
Sir, please tell about long and complex also.
Which one?
Long and complex variables.
Long
and complex.
long is the range of integer. Okay, long just like a double. Two things are there, long and double. Double means larger capacity of float. Okay, exact digit bitwise how much capacity is there, I'm not sure basically, and like that long is the double capacity of integer. Long and double, two things are there. Now I am declaring the two strings like this one, x1 equals to great LD world, x2 equals to God is great. Okay, print x1 plus x2. So what it will give?
Great world got
No,
it.
great what? God is great. But another side, if I will use, I
Yes.
replace this one.
No space will be there.
This one, multiplication. Then what will happen?
Error, sir. Syntax error.
Error will be there.
It will show the error. But another side, if I put 10 here, then what it will give?
It will
10 times it will print the x1.
yeah. No, it will be other way around, I think.
Is that
Then it will
clear?
be in the
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes,
10
sir.
times it will print. 10 times it will print the x1.
sir, if it is reverse, is 10 multiplied by x1 will
Yes.
it be the opposite? God is great will be
If you
it
replace
is
this x2
yeah.
into 10 times,
No, I want
means-
to get 10
10
in the
into
first.
x1.
10 multiplied by x1.
10 multiplied by
X1.
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 Yeah.
Wait. x1. First you clear the screen. So that
These both are
mathematical
same or it will be different?
same.
X1 sir, huh?
Same. Because
Same, both are same.
interoperable, whether you add the A into B or whether you add the B into A,
Okay.
B in A, both are same.
Got it, sir.
है ना? So both are because it is a part of practice basically. Until or unless you will not make the practice, these things will not be clear. And these are the basics basically. These are the important part. Okay, after once you are very much used to about these basic things, automatically things will be just like a kid play for you for developing a software. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
And for and a lot of practice is required for your point of view. A lot of practice is required, especially whenever I give the assignments. So I keep this thing in the mind that this will work basically. But unfortunately, you people are not serious while doing the assignment. Basically, only very few of you are very sincere while doing this one.
Sir, string length should be defined, sir.
Hanji sir?
No.
What should be the length of the string? Length of the
It
string
is
should be
only
defined, sir,
आएगी सर,
because-
आएगी, वो भी आएगी. लाइए चेक कर देते हैं आपके लिए.
सर ये वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है सर, आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
1 minute sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Some network problem is there sir today.
But we are getting, sir. We are getting very well. No problem.
Some people are getting, some people not getting.
Yes. It is like that.
So 1 minute sir. 1 minute sir. I'm showing the screen. 1 minute sir. Somebody was asking about the length of the screen, length of the string. है ना? So the len function will work. len. Okay, I want to know the length
Number
of
of
this.
characters. Number of characters.
Okay, this one x1. So I have I need to pass this x1 inside the len function. So whenever you execute this one,
Third bracket.
it will give this one. Or if you give the x2, then it will give the length of this one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if there is a space, then it will consider the space as a character, sir.
These things are I am
sir.
leaving on you. Okay, you try
Okay, sir.
on your system and automatically this thing will be there. Otherwise it will take the time, sir. Because
Okay, sir.
this thing will come automatically under whenever you practice the things. Okay, a lot of things are there, and it is not on not, for my point of view also, it is not possible to cover each and everything. It is a part of the practice, sir. Okay, so that's why I'm repeatedly saying the basic job is the practice. And another thing is the important function is the upper. Okay, you can use the upper also. UPPER. Okay. X2 dot double P. This is the beauty of this ID. Automatically function will come. This one. Have you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Uppercase.
Like that you can use the lower also. This one. Is it okay? Now another
Yes,
thing.
sir.
You require this program. Okay. Should I share this in the WhatsApp group?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Helpful.
Okay,
Sure.
I will share. Otherwise, you focus on the assignment basically. Each and everything and in depth
Okay.
covered in the assignment. And whenever you encounter some basically error or some difficulty, we will take into the class or WhatsApp group. I will try to solve this problem basically for the perfection point of view.
Sir, please share your book also, sir.
सर बुक नहीं शेयर करेंगे सर, बुक शेयर नहीं कर पाएंगे बेसिकली. इसे ऐड कर रहे हैं इसमें एआई और मशीन लर्निंग वगैरह करके, तब इसे
सर
फर्दर
जितना जितना है उतना दे दो सर, जितना है
नहीं
उतना
सर,
दो.
सर कुछ मजबूरी है, नहीं कर पाएंगे अभी जो है ना. बाकी बाकी इसके
Okay,
लिए
sir.
मैं
Okay,
सफिशिएंट
sir. No
मटेरियल
issue.
आपको सफिशिएंट मटेरियल
Okay, okay.
प्रोवाइड कराऊंगा, है ना.
No
मटेरियल
issue,
आपको
sir. No
प्रोवाइड
issue.
कराऊंगा.
No issue. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
1 minute.
Ravi Baba.
1 minute. So the like that capitalize, center, encode, is digit, these things also you can use. Okay, in next assignment you will find each and everything, so we can skip this one. These are the functions. I will share this screen, so you can try at your end. this is the syntax, how to make the space, between the two strings, or the some string is there and some integer or float value is there. So by this you can do this. Okay, like that we can directly copy from here, Control C. Then share. Why people are unable to get connected? Every time I need to admit all. I think network problem is there.
We are we are getting out and it is taking several attempts, false attempts.
Every time I'm
Then
basically
after
I'm admitting
6 or 7
admitting all, and automatically also I have put this one automatic mode also. Auto accept all requests, but further I need to admit all and unable to connect. Still it is showing 19 people are waiting.
we are trying, I think, but not being able to get in.
చూస్తూ ఉండండి చదువుతాను. మీలో యుద్ధములను పోరాటములు దేని నుండి కలుగుచున్నవి? మీ భోగియచుల నుండి కదా. మీరు ఆశించుచున్నారు కానీ
Okay, we will try this tomorrow. Some debugging will be required. Some error is there inside that. So now we will move further. So you need to put this and is basically not accepted, and is the keyword here. So you need to put this. Okay, you need to put this one. You need to put this one. Okay, and these are the formatter. Okay, these are the formatter. This one I will I have already shared one book, so you can refer that book for the formatting of this one. I will share the page numbers today. Another one is the format. Another one is the format. Okay, dot format. Okay, inside the curly bracket we first write the position of the parameter. Okay, we will skip this one. I will share the book page number. Okay, so there are typecasting. There are three predefined typecasting functions available in Python. That means integer, float, and string. So we can convert the float, that is the 5.20, by putting the integer before that. We have already seen in the previous classes. And 52 520, if we want to put it into the this one, into the float, so it will give this one. Is there any doubt inside that, or shall I run the practically? Shall I run this practically, or it is clear?
No need, sir. We will try. We will do.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is
Don't
I
clear,
have,
sir.
okay, please refer the book. Please refer the book that I have shared. Okay, I will share
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
page
sir.
number. Okay, please run
Okay.
according to me. Please go according to me. Don't directly jump to the last page. Okay, I will share
Okay,
the
yes, sir.
page number. Okay, I will share the page number.
Okay, sir.
And we have seen the type also. If you want to check the type of any variable, so you need to pass this variable inside the type operator. Type inside the bracket. If you want to know the type of the data type of A, so you need to put the A inside that, so it will give the desired output. And input from the keyboard, I think it is already clear. It is already clear. The two three things are there. Input through the input command, we can give the integer also, we can give the float also, and better to use the eval function. Better to use the eval function. काफी पोर्शन आप लोगों का कवर हो गया. इसी तरह से आप फ्लोट भी कर सकते हैं. अगला चैप्टर आ जाता है सर, वर्ल्ड ऑफ लिस्ट एंड डिक्शनरी टपल्स इन पाइथन. somebody was asking about the list ना सर. somebody from you asking about the list. तो यहाँ से हमारा लिस्ट शुरू होता है सर. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है सर. इसे बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे हम लोग. इसे बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे. So we are going to start the list and the different dictionary tuples in the Python. Sir, three things are there. List, dictionary, and tuples. That is very much important inside the Python, especially in case of data analysis and preparation of data set. In case of machine learning, this is the heart of the Python. This is the heart of the Python. Okay, it seems very easy, but I'm sure that every time whenever you require to declare the list, you will be confused. You will be confused. Is that clear? So please give them much attention in list, dictionary, and tuples. How to declare the list? What basically a list is?
Sir, it is a collection of items.
Collection of items. That means something is there. Something is there. But what is there basically? What type of things are there inside the list? Okay, whenever you are going to market, and the normal practices, you prepare one paper and you make some list. Okay, some make list. It may be a grocery item, it can be a vegetable also, or it can be any other also. So that means list can contain anything. List can contain anything. है ना? So what type of list is there? List of anything. list of anything. It is just like an array. Okay, it is, you can compare for the time being only. Array is the different one, but inside here no such type of concept is there, array, because later on stages numpy, in case of numpy basically you will find array type of arrangements that are there whenever you need to handle a bulk amount of data. So basically list is a simple concept. List is the simple concept. List declared by the this big brackets. Okay, let's declare by the this square brackets or the big brackets in our normal terminology, and it can be any type. It can be any of type, that means integer, floats, or string. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice. So let us do some practical thing. आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना सर? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है ना इसमें?
नहीं सर, क्लियर सर.
है ना? Are you happy with the speed and all these things? अगर कुछ हो तो है ना शेयर कीजिएगा फीडबैक, अदरवाइज आउटकम आना चाहिए, नहीं तो ऐसे नहीं कि टाइम वेस्ट हो जाए.
Sir, everything is fine.
Okay, thank you. But important thing is you should make the practice on this one. Otherwise ये राम कथा हो जाएगी कि मैं सुना रहा हूँ आप सुन रहे हैं. इसमें प्रैक्टिस का खेल है सर. It is just not like Industry 4.0 or IoT or artificial intelligence. Basically it requires a lot of practice from your end.
सर
ठीक है,
टाइम
मेरे
की भी
end से तो
लिमिट.
ठीक है, मैंने तो की प्रैक्टिस, मुझे जितना करना था, है ना? It is
We
up
will
to you.
practice.
है ना? हाँ, and basically it requires only 1 month hard work. 1 month. एक महीना अगर आप इसमें प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी ए गुड, वेरी गुड डेवलपर. बट इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू. और ऑलवेज मेरे अकॉर्डिंगली फॉलो कीजिए. जुपिटर भी आएगा. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्किंग कि सर व्हाई नॉट द जुपिटर, व्हाई नॉट द नमपाई, व्हाई नॉट दिस वन. You believe me, each and everything will come, but on the time basically. Okay, on the time. At present we are in very basic stage. Okay, very basic stage. After that we will move in the a little bit typical portion.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Sir, how to implement the square root function? I couldn't think.
आएगा, सब आएगा मैम, अभी रुको आप.
Okay, sir.
है ना? ये देखिए आप जो सेव होता है ना, तो ये इससे होता है .py से. प्रोग्राम जब सेव करते हैं तो .py एक्सटेंशन यूज करते हैं इसमें. हाँ, we were discussing about the list, sir. X equals to this one. Now print X. What it will print, sir?
ब्लैंक लिस्ट.
Good. ठीक है ना? Blank list print कर दी. नहीं, but how you say it is a list? उत्तम जी.
सर.
हाँ, how you say it is a list? By putting this one,
sir,
you can, if you are a programmer, and you need to basically trust on the
Specify.
facts basically. So you are a Python developer, but I am not a suppose a very good developer, and you are saying in the Python basically by putting this big bracket or the square bracket, everything will become in the list. But I am saying it is not like that. So how you can say it is a list? So you need to check the type. Okay, you need to prove this one with the help of 1
Type
minute, sir.
command.
1 minute.
Type. Okay.
ये आ गया सर, देखिए लिस्ट आ गया ये. इज दैट क्लियर?
सर.
है ना? कोई भी चीज आर्ग्यूमेंट का इशू नहीं होता है डेवलपर के लिए. डेवलपर को हर चीज प्रूफ करके दिखानी पड़ती है. ये चीज हमेशा याद रखिएगा, ये इसमें कोई फिक्स फार्मूला नहीं होता है। नेहा, आर यू गेटिंग माय वॉइस? Okay, don't mug up the things blindly. In the book it is written that this will show if you are putting the things inside the curly big bracket or the square bracket, so automatically it will become the list. Okay, automatically it will become the this one list. No, it is not like that. Okay, if somebody is arguing or you want to cross check this one, so further you need to check the type of this one with the help of type. Each and everything is available inside the language. You need to search out. That's why I am repeatedly saying a lot of practice is required. Now I am defining my list. It is a blank list basically. It is a blank list. Now I am adding some variables. Let us define the another list. 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Is that clear? It is a list of integers.
5 items.
It is a list of
Sir, it is a list of integers.
Definitely. Class list, this one 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. Is that okay? Now.
Yes.
Sorry. Z equals to 1, 3, 5, 9, comma Nitin, comma Neha, comma main, comma comma 1.2, comma 5.6. Is this list? ये list है?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
List. Answer
Yes,
is
sir.
list. Answer is yes, because I have taken one example. Whenever suppose you are going to market, so you cannot you do basically in your practice you don't make the so many lists. One for grocery, one for vegetable, one for another thing. In a single list you need to put each and everything in a single list. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
in this list basically I am comparing it. You just compare this list is just like your this vegetable or other things list. Okay, so it is a list of integers, it is a list of this strings, and it is a list of floats. Is that clear? Now I will try to print this one. Can I print this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one, it is printed. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें कोई डाउट हो किसी को? Is there any doubt inside this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now another thing is I want to know the list of the length of this list. Can I know? Anurag ji, I want to know the list. How many elements are there inside the list? Inside this one, inside the list. How I will?
So using the len,
Number.
len function.
Len function. Definitely, very good.
Len. Yes, sir.
Alien parenthesis.
Alien.
Z. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Length is 11. Okay, that means it contains 11 elements. Let us calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
2
and 11.
Yes.
It is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सिंगल काउंट होगा, क्योर्स के अंदर सिंगल
Yes, sir.
काउंट होगा आपका. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Diksha, it is clear. Are you there in the chat room?
Hello, हाँ जी sir, clear sir.
Okay. Now, one important thing is there. I want to know the position of my element. I want to know the position. These are the list element basically. This is the declaration of list, and whatever I put inside the list, these are the element. Now I want to know at which position my element is there. Okay. That is the indexing part. Please, this is the most important concept in the Python. You just give the attention or more focus inside that one. A lot of practice is required. And your later on stages, especially in case of machine learning, deep learning, or whatever the software you will develop, definitely or in everywhere you will find this type of concept: list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. Okay, 2-3 things are there. So these are the very
Can we भेजा भी इनके कैसे करेंगे देखना देंगे.
है ना. So these things are there. So let us check the this one, element position. Print set of 2.
Six.
इंडेक्स एलिमेंट 2 पे कौन सा एलिमेंट है? उत्तम जी, कैन यू टेल मी?
6, sir.
6.
6 is there.
इंडेक्स नंबर एलिमेंट नंबर 2 पे कौन सा है?
6 sir.
3 होना चाहिए सर.
आंसर ऑफ दिस वन.
It should start from 0.
Output of this one.
6 sir.
Zero based.
0, 1, 2, then 6, sir.
Yeah. Zero based indexing.
Okay, let us check. Definitely it is a 6 one.
Okay, the first one is 0, sir. Starting from 0.